Now to a Fox 23 exclusive involving common law marriage in Oklahoma and the fight for control of the estate of the man shot to death by a Tulsa police officer in mid-September. Fox 23's Jonathan McCall reporting live for us with new details surrounding the estate of Terrence Crutcher. Jonathan.
Yeah, this all comes down to trying to clear up an unclear law when it comes to common law marriage here in the Sooner State, Clay. Officials say, attorneys with the family of Terrence Crutcher say if that's the case, why the woman who claimed to have been his common law wife filed that she was single on a number of legal documents, while attorneys for Frinchell Johnson say that the two lived together and raised kids together, and that made them a couple. While the fight for justice continues for Terrence Crutcher, a battle looms over who should control his estate. His family.
We do not believe that Ms. Johnson is the common law wife.
Or Frinchell Johnson, the mother of his 3 kids, who claims she was married to Crutcher for 16 years through common law marriage.
And you have all these other factors, the wedding rings that are engraved, and you have family photos.
Essentially, a common law marriage just means that there is a meeting of the minds between the two parties.
Proving it won't be easy, according to attorney James Wirth. Wirth isn't connected to the case, but says unlike a regular divorce, there's a high burden of proof.
Letters and things where they talked about each other as husband and wife, postings on Facebook.
But records show Johnson knew Terrence listed himself as single on Facebook. Court records also show Johnson claimed she was single in tax and court records, and even while applying for government assistance. Johnson attorney Dan Smolin says the couple lived together, raised kids, and were recognized as a couple.
You don't fill out a form that says you're married because you think you have to have a marriage license to put that down.
Wirth says documents can carry a lot of weight.
Let's look at what existed before this separation occurred, before this disruption occurred, and see what those papers show, because those aren't tainted with bias.
In the end, attorney DeMario Solomon Simmons says the focus should be on the future of Crutcher's children.
I think the most important thing that the Crutcher family is most interested in is making sure that the children are taken care of.
And even the lawyers that we talked with today say there is a lot of ambiguity when it comes to common law marriage here in the Sooner State. A decision on the estate of Terrence Crutcher will be made inside the Tulsa County Courthouse next Monday by Judge Kurt Glasgow. We're live tonight in downtown covering news that matters. I'm Jonathan McCall, Fox 23 News.